consequences are most effective when they're timely. This is one that's huge, especially with our little ones. It has to be immediate. I don't know about you with the preschool, but I can't wait till tomorrow and talk about something you did yesterday. I just can't. You're like, huh? What happened? You got to do it right then, right in the moment. And it's simple and it's sweet and it's fast. If you're a little kid, it's a fast thing. It's like, you're not sitting on the mat, you're sitting in a chair today. That's it. You can't play with the Legos today. Or, okay, nope, get away from the Legos. The Legos are not what you can play with this morning. But this afternoon, you go back to the Legos. I'm not going to take them away from you for a whole day, maybe. Of course, unless you hit people with them or whatever. But those are reasonable consequences. Losing a privilege is a reasonable consequence, but not for a month if you're 5. Same thing with doing time. You got to go sit in a chair and hey, can you just sit in the chair and think about that for a second and bring yourself back together? Remember, look to see what zone you're in. Maybe you're using zones of regulation or another really good tool like that. And so they have to sit there and they have to kind of do that. But they can't take 10 minutes. 10 minutes is an eternity to a 5-year-old. It has to be quick. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.